Zimbabwe has seen notable development in its lithium mining sector in 2022 as major Chinese-funded projects in the country made steady progress. Earlier this year, China's Sinomine Resource Group acquired Bikita Minerals, a key producer of lithium in Zimbabwe. In June, Sinomine's $200 million project to build a processing plant at Bikita Minerals lithium mine was launched.
届时，比基塔矿山将实现年收入6亿美元左右，上交利税5000万美元，新增1000多个就业岗位。
In December, Sabi Star Lithium Mine project was launched in the eastern part of Zimbabwe. Chengxin Lithium Group, headquartered in China, acquired a 51% interest stake in the mine in 2021. Speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony, Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa said the project will serve Zimbabwe's ambition to establish vibrant lithium mining and value chains industries.
This project, among others, will further give impetus to the overall modernization, industrialization, and the growth of our economy.
The Arcadia Lithium Mine project is also under construction after the mine was acquired by China's Zhejiang Huayou Cobalt from Australia-listed Prospect Resources last year. The mine will start delivering lithium-containing minerals, spodumene and petalite next year.
This lithium resource will put Zimbabwe on the map as one of the premium suppliers of lithium into the world lithium battery market.
In 2019, Zimbabwe set out an ambitious drive to more than quadruple the mining sector revenue by holding minerals worth $12 billion by 2023. In 2021, the country earned about $5.7 billion in mineral exports, a huge leap from $3.2 billion recorded the previous year.